purpose of this crossover double-blind design study was to examine the effects of CherryFlex supplementation, 2 tablets a day, on markers of delayed onset muscle soreness. Now you'll get sore, and typically you'll get sore 24, 48 hours after you do some strenuous bout. And so we were looking at that period of time, about 24, 48, we actually went as far as 72 hours after you did the exercise. The exercise we had the subjects do was completed on the Biodex isokinetic dynamometer. And what this system, it's kind of a unique system, you can have the system pull your arm down. So we had it forcefully pull your arm down, you'd resist as hard as you could, and you'd do 5 sets of 10 of those. So 50 contractions as hard as you could. Pretty much guaranteed you're going to be sore after you do that. And so some of the markers that we looked at were blood markers of inflammation, blood markers of protein oxidative damage, and blood markers of lipid oxidative damage. On top of that, we looked at measurements of inflammation and how strong you were, that is, how hard you could resist. Naturally, when you get sore, you're not going to be able to resist as hard, and so that was some of the things that we measured in this study. So again, we had 14 subjects. They served as both the placebo group, and roughly a month later, they served as the treatment group as well. And so that's the crossover design. And what we found was that the CherryFlex supplementation decreased people's perception of pain. That is, if we asked them to give a scale of 0 to 10 on what level of pain they were feeling, it was a little bit lower, well, significantly lower in the group that took CherryFlex. We also had something that we call a punctuated tenderness gauge. In essence, you push on the sore muscle, and people would, you push a little harder, until someone says, okay, I feel pain. That measurement was significantly improved in the CherryFlex group. The other statistically significant difference that we found was in CRP, C-reactive protein, and that's the marker of systemic inflammation, suggesting that taking this pill prior to this real strenuous bout of exercise yields a smaller amount of systemic inflammation.